From the time ChatGPT was released, after that, it continuously kept on adding different new features to improve efficiency of ChatGPT. ChatGPT Canvas is one of that feature. Let me show you what am I talking about and you will be able to understand about ChatGPT Canvas. If I paste one prompt here, that is, please help me to write a blog covering how generative AI can be used by content creators. You can see then and there it opened a different pane altogether at the right where it started writing and generating the content. And in the left side, my prompt, and it mentioned that yes, I have completed that thing. This is mentioned. So this is ChatGPT Canvas. Now, what's the benefit of it? If you see, if I select this text, then I'll be able to do multiple things. First of all, I'll be able to change if it's bold or italic, or I'll be able to change how it will look like. Is it the heading 1, 2 or 3? Like the way we do it in MS Word or any other word processor. This was not there earlier in ChatGPT. Let's take an example. Another thing, if I come here, there are multiple different suggestions. I can make it longer and I can make it shorter also. All those things are available. If I change it to longer, then you will be able to see it will change the content. You can see it's editing and now line by line it is doing it. And it is increasing the word count of this entire document. And this is happening on the fly. Another major part is, once this is done, currently it's still working, and once this will be done, you will be able to see the earlier version also. So it maintains the version history based on your prompts and other things. You can see I have expanded your blog post by 75%. Now if I click on this icon, then it will show me the previous version. You can restore this version or you can come back to the latest one. You can also use this arrow to come to the next version. So this is a one incredible feature in case you are trying to generate certain details. Earlier, when this option was not there, we had to reprompt every time. But now there is an interactive feature to do it. Let me talk about few more things here. So this is suggest edit. We can do it in couple of ways. First of all, you can select this entire text. You can ask ChatGPT using a prompt here, please expand a bit more. And if you click on this icon, then this part of the text only will get expanded. You can see now this is happening. So this has been expanded. This is only for the first paragraph, not everywhere else. Second thing, if you mouse over here, you will be also able to see this particular bubble, and there also you will be able to ask same thing. So one is you can either manually select the text. Second one is you can click on this bubble to change it. Now once your text is ready, you can click on this icon to copy this entire text and you will be able to directly paste elsewhere. Now let me talk about few more options which are available here. We saw that how suggest editor works and also the length. Next is reading level. You can define who are your audience. If you see, if I drag it below, that is kindergarten, then middle school, then keep the current reading level, then high school, college and graduate school. So using these levels also you will be able to change based on your end audience. And this is incredible. Earlier when this feature was not available, only option was there to use multiple different prompts and writing to ChatGPT, make it in a way that a 5-year-old can understand, 10-year-old can understand. In that way we used to write. But ChatGPT Canvas made it so simple. Let me show you another thing here. That is add a final polish. Once everything is done, you can do it. But before that, I would like to do one thing, that is add emojis. If I click on it, then it will add emojis between words, start of any of the section as part of the list. And you can also click on remove to remove any emojis. If I do it in this way, maybe list, and then I click on it, it will rewrite this entire thing. And wherever the bullet points are there, there it will add different emojis. If I scroll down, you can see now all these bullet points have been changed to emojis, and that is also based on the preceding text. You can see blog post, there is a different emoji. Social media caption, so there is a different emoji. So that's the way you will be able to do it. So now if I come back here and click on there and I remove emojis, now it will remove all the emojis from the entire document and it will go back to the earlier stage. So if you are not happy, you can anyways use this left arrow to go back to the earlier stage. But this is the capability of ChatGPT Canvas. You will be able to edit your documents like a word processor. Now let me show you the final one. If I go here and click on this add final polish, what it will do, it will analyze this entire document. It will make required changes and it will add a final polish to the entire document, and this will be ready to use. So this is the way you will be able to use ChatGPT Canvas. Similar way, if you are looking to generate any of the code, you will be also able to see multiple different options. Let me show you how it looks like. If I close everything and then I come back and go to a new chat, and there I use this particular prompt, help me to write a code to create a snake game. Now once I do that, now it will start generating that code. Currently it generated the code. If I now type, open this code in Canvas, you can see it opened this entire code in Canvas, and I'll show you the available options here. So in case you are a coder, then this feature will really help you. First option is code review, using which you will be able to review your code. Also, you will be able to port to a language. If I click on it, you will be able to convert this entire code to a different language altogether. If I click on C++, it will change the current code to C++. Currently it's written on Python. Now the new code will be in C++. So if you are a coder and if you are looking in different other codes, you will be able to change your coding. Now you can see it started writing in C++. If you have certain codes available in one language and you want to convert it to a different language, you don't need to write it from scratch again. Now you will be able to using this particular feature. Isn't it incredible? Now this is converted to C++. If I click here and then click on add logs, then it will add required documentation as part of your code. So in case any of your team member wants to work with this code down the line, they will be able to see all those logs already added. So it will be definitely helpful for coders so that they will be able to use ChatGPT Canvas to use it in a better way. So we saw two examples. As a normal user like I do, I'm not a coder. There I can edit my text on the fly. And if you have any coding related requirements, you can also use ChatGPT Canvas.